In today's video, I've created this halo kind of quick makeup. Okay, enough of talking. Let's move on to the video.
For primer today, I'm going to use my Mercier blurring primer in the center points of my face wherever I tend to get oily. And I'm going to use my Shiseido illuminating primer to the outer perimeters of my face to get that glowy, dewy finish on my cheek. Today I wanted to skip the orange concealer. I'm going to use this full coverage MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the shade NC45, and I'm going to use my fingers to blend this so that I get extra coverage, and then I'm going to blend it with my beauty sponge. This way I get extra coverage, and also it blends well because the warmth of the skin actually melts the product into the skin. Now that I've blended with my fingers, I'm going to use my beauty sponge to take any excess product off. So for my foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline 24-hour, the full coverage foundation in the shade 334 Warm Sun. The shade is a bit, not an exact match, but I can blend it in. For contouring, I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C16. It's a bit dark to my skin tone, so I'm using it as my contour shade. Now to highlight my face, I'm gonna use this Nars concealer in the shade Biscuit. It's a bit too light for me, but then as a highlighting shade it works fine. And also this is very creamy, so when you blend it in with your fingers or with your brush or whatever it is, it blends really seamlessly. To set everything, I'm using my Mercier translucent setting powder. So for my eyeshadow, I'm taking the K Beauty's eyeshadow crayon. These are really handy when it comes to traveling. You can take them anywhere, and only thing is it doesn't come with a sharpener, but if in case you have the other sharpeners that suit this size, it would do. This color is some, I don't know, some gray or something. I will just mention it in the description box below. It blends really beautifully, but then I have one problem, I guess. This just doesn't stay for a very long time. It's a very creamy formula, so until and unless you gonna set it with a powder or an eyeshadow on top of it, I don't think so this is gonna last very long. In that way I don't like it, but then how it works and how it's easy for me to blend, I really love it. Now I'm taking this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade 8 Track. It's a kind of a bronzy shade, like a dull brown bronzy. So now to create the halo look, I'm gonna tap the color exactly where my eyeballs are, so that when the light hits my eyelid, it's gonna be seen, it's gonna be beautiful. And yeah, this color goes well with the eyeshadow stick, and it's so easy and simple to create this look, but it looked really well. I didn't even use any brushes, but I loved it so much. Next thing, I'm gonna take the same eyeshadow stick and put it on my lower lashes as well, only till the eyeballs, so that I can blend it, and I just blend it with my fingers, and that's the smudge look I wanted. So now moving on to my eyebrows, you know the drill. I use my Benefit Goof Proof pencil to do my eyebrows. I'm just using a spoolie to brush out the hair and then do my eyebrows. That's it. There's nothing much I've changed with my eyebrows. I'm using my lash curler to curl my lashes before I apply my mascara. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I really love how this curls and lifts my lashes, whereas I do not prefer using waterproof mascaras as well. If I had mentioned in my previous videos, I like regular mascaras because they are pain to remove it off your eyelashes, because even a bit of mascara sticking to your eyelashes are gonna cause infection. So to take it out, you have to almost pull out half of my lashes. That's how I was able to remove. So I have totally skipped all the waterproof mascaras. If you are a bride, go for it, but this roller lash mascara doesn't smudge or budge for me till now, so I guess this should do fine. So let's bronze up the face using Too Faced bronzer in the shade Dark Chocolate Soleil. It smells like chocolates. That's how it is, but yeah, I like the warmth it gives to my skin. Nothing very harsh, but it just has a proper terracotta kind of bronzer for my skin, so I really like it. For my highlighter today, I'm using my Ofra Rodeo Dry highlighter. This gives you a wet skin kind of a look, which I really love. So to set everything in place, I'm using my MAC Fix Plus. So the last and the final step, the lipstick. I'm using my NYX lip liner in the shade Urban Cafe to line my lips. So I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Birkin Brown, which is now called as So 90s. It's a very perfect nude and brownish nude kind of lipstick for my skin tone. I'm in love with how it feels, but I don't think so if it lasts, because I am very used to wearing liquid matte lipsticks. This one is a regular bullet lipstick. Yeah, let's see. I really love the color. So hope you enjoyed watching this video, and meet you in another one. Bye guys.